Hi, today we'll cook dumpling soup. We'll need some chicken drumsticks, 2 eggs, semolina, onion, carrot, parsley, parsnip, celery. We boil the chicken drums and take the foam that forms from boiling. We cut the onion in 4 and all the vegetables in large pieces. We boil all vegetables with the chicken. In a bowl we put 2 eggs that we weighed before. And we mix them together. We add the same weight of semolina as the eggs. For example, mine were 125 grams. So we add 125 grams semolina. We add salt in the middle of mixing. Then add semolina, mixing constantly. Until you get this consistency. Then let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we take out the vegetables. And after 10 minutes with a spoon we add the semolina. The heat needs to be on minimum. At the end we add fresh parsley. And it's done. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for new videos every week.